Wasting energy. Words of the Mother, Volume 3rd, by the Mother. Human beings do not know how to preserve energy. When something happens, an accident or an illness, they ask for help and a double or triple dose of energy is administered. They feel that they are receptive and they receive it. This energy is given for two reasons: to repair the disorders caused by the accident or illness, and to give a power for transformation in order to mend, to change what was the true cause of the illness or accident. Instead of utilizing energy in that way, immediately they throw it out. They begin to move about, they begin to be active, they begin to work, they begin to speak, they feel themselves full of energy and throw everything out. They can keep nothing. Then naturally, since the energy was not meant to be wasted like that, but for an inner use, they fall quite flat. And this is universal. They do not know how to make this movement to go within, to utilize the energy, not to keep it. It cannot be kept, to utilize it, to mend the damage done to the body, and to go deep down to find out the reason for the accident or the malady. And they are to change that into an aspiration, an inner transformation. Instead of this, people began immediately to chatter, to move about, to act, to do this, to do that. Indeed, the great majority of human beings feel that they are alive only when they waste energy. Otherwise, it does not look like life. Not to waste energy means to utilize it for the purposes for which it was given. If the energy is given for transformation, for the sublimation of the being, it must be used for that. If the energy is given to set right something that has been disorganized in the body, it must be used for that. Naturally, if someone is given a special work and if he is given the energy to do that work, it is all right. It is used for its own purposes. And it was given for that. As soon as a man feels energetic, he rushes immediately into action, or else those who have not got the sense to do something useful gossip. Worse still, those who have no control over themselves become intolerant and begin to dispute. If their will is contradicted, they feel themselves full of energy and take it as holy work.